Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today is a super exciting video. It is my first ever back to school giveaway. Now this is a big giveaway in conjunction with another giveaway that is coming tomorrow, part of my 3-year anniversary on YouTube and my 1,000 subscriber giveaways. So if you are interested in winning a bunch of back to school stuff, make sure you fill out the form below. But first, let's get into the rules. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment what you're most excited for back to school, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified when that next giveaway video post. Hint, hint, it's a lot of makeup. Alright you guys, let's quickly go over the rules. Number 1 is to be subscribed to my channel, so make sure you do that right away. And then you'll also have to fill out a Gleam form in the description box below. If you've never filled out a Gleam form before, it usually asks for your email, your first name, last name, but basically this is open to all ages. If you're under 18, please, or basically under like 15, please have a parent's consent to do this. But yeah, that's the whole spiel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Let me know you like these giveaways, and comment down below what you're most excited for back to school. And let's get into all the exciting prizes. If you don't know who my sister is, I will link her down below. She did my makeup for a previous video, and she's been in a lot of videos on my channel. She actually helped me pick out all of this, and she is a 13-year-old girl, and she is very trendy, so I think y'all are gonna like this. I like a lot of this. So actually I like everything, let's be honest. I like everything. Alright, so getting into the first thing that I picked out, it is a planner, and this is basically the thing that I picked. I based everything off of this planner. I wanted everything to be kind of in a theme, but it is pink and gold and absolutely beautiful. You get to write out your days. I love that it's out in lines like this. If you can see, I love planners. I always have one, and it's pretty every year. Love it. So you'll get a planner. Next up, let's look at all the notebooks. I went a little crazy. So first off, I wanted to get a little journal for you guys, and I got this little pineapple one. I'm sorry about the stickers, I just didn't want to take them off yet. But this is an amazing little notebook, and you can use it as a journal to put down ideas. If you have a YouTube channel yourself, you could write down video ideas. I really love this. It's super cute. Next up, we have 2 composition notebooks. They look just like this. I knew when I was in school I loved having composition notebooks. Sometimes in classes you get writing assignments or things like that, and these are perfect for those. Also, this one is very Kate Spade-esque, and I love it. And then, of course, we had to get the Fearless Female composition notebook too. My little sister has this one, and she's using it for school this year, and she loves it. Next up, we have a Hollow notebook, because I am a makeup channel and I love Hollow. If you don't know who Simply Nailogical is, I'll link her below. She's the queen of Hollow, and I'm obsessed too. Next up, we have a notebook to match that previous composition notebook. This would be perfect for an English class, I think, because you could pair those two together. Next up, we've got another pink one with some cactuses on it. My little sister is a big fan of succulents and cactuses, or cacti, however you say that. So we got that going. We've got some stripes here. We've got some little gold whatevers, you know, the things. And then finally, we've got this striped sailor themed notebook. I thought it was a good it goes really well with the pink, but it's a nice contrast, so yeah. Alright, next up, I'm not really going in any specific order. I just really have everything around me, and I'm going to pick what's closest, you know? Next up, I got some Lifesavers mint for you guys. I loved carrying these around in my bag in high school, and I still do this in college. And I will just, whenever my breath gets a little funky after lunch or whatever, I pull one of these out, and trust me, the people around you will ask for them. I promise you'll be getting asked to share a lot. Next up, I got you guys a pencil case, and if this isn't the coolest pencil case you've ever seen, I don't know what is. I'm a huge fan of this whole situation. Like, you got hollow and you got pink, reflective. It's amazing. I love it. Next up, I picked you guys up a backpack. This is super, super cute. It's got a bunch of flowers all over it, but it's a neutral gray undertone, so it goes with pretty much anything you wear. So I am a huge fan of this backpack. And also, this JanSport brand is super, super reliable and make really good backpacks. So I know you guys will be able to cram all your stuff in it and it won't break. Next up, we're going to go into some markers. I've got the thin markers for you guys, and they're the traditional rainbow colors, but then I also got the thick markers for you, and these are a little bit more bright colors, more neons. So yeah, you got those. Next up, I got you guys some pens. I wanted to get you guys some pens in all different colors. I love writing in different colors for my notes, switching off between topics. It really helps to keep a little bit more organized for you. Next up, I got some erasers. Now, these are the cutest little things. They are erasers in the shape of pencils. It's adorable, and I bought some for myself as well. Next up, I got you guys a chapstick, and this is my actual favorite chapstick from Burt's Bees in Strawberry. This chapstick's really good for your lips, and it'll keep it really hydrated throughout the day. In those winter months, it can really help as well. Not so much if you're not from the Midwest like I am, but like chapstick all year round helps. I got you some of my favorite black pens. I don't know why these are my favorite. They just are so smooth and easy to write with. I love them. They're the Pilot G2 pens. Then I got you some whiteout because we all make mistakes and we all need some stuff to hide it with. Next up, I got you guys this giant glue stick because this will last you 5 years. Next up, I got you the Miami collection of Post-it notes. I know I use a ton of Post-it notes in my schoolwork. I put them in books that I'm reading. I do all the things. So this pack gives you all the different variations. You got littles, you got lined ones, and you got the normal size Post-its. So leave someone a nice note with one of these, please. I have a few binders. I got one pineapple binder to match with that really cute notebook we saw earlier. And I got a hollow binder. Well, not hollow, it's just a really reflective silver, but it looks kind of like hollow, so, you know. We have some folders here. I got, the first one is a mermaid folder, the tails. I have always been obsessed with mermaids. I've always wanted to be a mermaid, so this will help you guys live that mermaid dream. Next up, we have one that says Mermazing. It's super cute, and again, mermaid. And then I got a few folders to match the notebooks that we got earlier as well. These two both are directly matchable with some of the notebooks. And then Dreamin' and Schemin', of course, because that is me, my everyday life. Next up, we have this protractor and compass set from UB. It's a really cute, and it's unicorn themed, so really you can't go wrong with that. Next up, we have some pencils from Bic. These are one of my favorite ones to write with during class, so I got you a set of those. Next, I don't know if you guys have a locker, or if you don't, this will be good for any of you. You could hang it on a wall, hang it on a locker, do whatever you want with it. It is a marble dry erase board, and it is super cute. I got you a pack of rainbow dry erase pens. Heck yeah. Some note cards, and these are the ones with the lines on it, I believe. Yes, they are ruled index cards so that you can take notes and put definitions of words on that. because I do that all the time for school and it's super, super helpful. Next up, I got you guys a calculator. I know all the math classes require a calculator, or you're gonna want a calculator, so got you a pink one. I also got you guys a ruler. This is just a light bendy one. Use it for all your crafting desires. Next, I got you the twistable crayons. I am not a fan of the classic crayons. I don't know why. These are the color penciled version though, and they are twist up ones, and they're super easy to use, and I really, really like them. You got 18 different colors here. Finally, this was one of the most exciting things that I got for myself too, and literally they're highlighters, so I don't know why I got so excited. But aren't they so cute? They're the ones that you can tell where the ink is in the pen. I don't know if anyone else is gonna find that exciting, but I am super excited about it myself. So I hope you guys like this as well. That is it for this giveaway. I am so excited about this back to school giveaway. School supply shopping is one of my favorite shopping events of the year, just behind Black Friday. Whew, it's so fun. If you guys like this giveaway, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you're most excited for back to school. Hit that subscribe button and fill out that giveaway form below so you can get entered to win all this amazing stuff. And keep your eye out for tomorrow's video because we have another makeup giveaway coming, and it is a big one, and you win 3 eyeshadow palettes. 3? One of them I'm wearing on my eyes. Hint, hint. Hint, hint, hint. It's this one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.